the editor shoulder responsibilities such as ensuring accuracy, eliminating the unnecessary words, refining the language, removing inconsistencies, crafting according to the newspaper's format, deleting the scandalous and libelous statements to make sure that the story is readable and complete. The edited story should be an accurate, precise, clear, continuous, and appealing character. Most importantly, the editor adheres to the writing style following the inverted pyramid style with a narrative, chronological, and personalized approach. The sub-editors has the following qualities. Distinct news sense. The editor has a sharp and precise news sense for its readers and identifies human interest stories without his prejudices and interests. Organized mind with cool head. The editor needs to maintain his cool among the piles of copy coming from all sources. He gets the facts right and in sequence. Impressive general knowledge. The editor reads various books and newspapers and magazines to keep himself aware of the famous personality. Possesses accuracy. A good sub-editor will not make any mistake as it will damage the newspaper's firm's reputation. Work according to the situation. The sub-editor should be able to deal with the deadlines and work fast. The story is perfect only when it reaches the editor on time. Late polished stories will only hamper his reputation. Writes a compelling headline. The sub-editor is skilled to compose an effective, attractive, and concise headline. Well versed with laws. The sub-editor has the knowledge of the laws related to the newspapers. He can write without hurting the sentiments and labeling someone and writing against the government or state legislature. He keeps special attention to the content for not being involved in any illegal matter or any law's contempt. Healthy cynicism. The sub-editor reaches out for the stories with healthy cynicism regarding facts and their interpretation. He pays special attention to the scandalous stories by finding the other side which doesn't hurt anyone. Makes clear and concise stories. The sub-editor maintains its cool while writing the story so that the story comes out to be concise, crisp, and clear. Excited for the story. A good sub-editor is always excited for the new stories pouring in from different sources. Editing process. There are 5 basic principles of editing which a sub-editor should take care. According to the newspaper's rules and policies, the sub-editor should take care of the story's height and width, length and breadth while processing. The typesetting instructions on the copy have to be marked so that no doubt or layer of any confusion arises in the composing room. In editing, the sub-editor takes care that everything is checked and correctly marked, which includes name, place, title, and date. The editor composes a headline according to the story and space availability. The sub-editor, after editing, makes sure that the story is interesting, easily understood, and comprehensive. Editing for print media. The news stories reach the news desk from varied sources by different reporters, correspondents, and stringers. The news agencies also share news reports and news releases come indirectly from the newspaper office. The new stories are in different formats such as some are handwritten stories, typed or computer printout. The copies are handled in two ways, the traditional manual method of handling and the computerized copy method. The traditional manual method of handling stories is done by correcting the mistakes manually on the page. Editing symbols are used to mark the corrections. Stories are usually double-spaced or triple-spaced to mark the corrections conveniently. The sub-editor frames a headline for the story and interacts with the compositor. The copy is processed to the composing room. The compositor reads the typeface's instructions, size of the headline, number of columns, and instructions on the boxed story. After composing the story, the proof is taken and then compared to the original manuscript. The proofreader marks the correction using the proofreading marks similar to the editing symbols. The traditional method of handling stories is time-consuming and repetitive. It holds the advantage of a story read several times and corrections are made. Nowadays, the copy is read directly on the computer screen and marks the corrections with a coding scheme, generally XML. The sub-editor are required to prepare the online edition in addition to the print edition. In early times, the optical character reader OCR and the video display terminal VDT were used to read the text. The OCR method wasn't very successful as it did not fully remove the mistakes. VDT proved to be an efficient method which can draw the stories straight from the news agencies and from correspondence through modems. The newer technologies replaced the VDT in which the news was retrieved online and editors could easily edit them.